All materials are complete.
Are you fine?
You can get them standing front. Why is it rejecting you?
Your Excellency.
It's okay. Accept my face.
Let me see.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Let me see. Did you cancel it?
I'll be verified to you. Okay. It's okay, leave to low.
Yes.
It's okay.
Your Excellency. Your casa.
Okay. What I'm saying, I'm impressed that the BVAS is working good. Even when they snap the features of my face, you see the BVAS was able to authenticate the genuineness of the PVC I submitted, and all the features all matched. So I think that's something that I really appreciated, and I requested to see that it's been authenticated, and that went perfect. One thing I also need to appreciate, the orderliness I'm seeing here is really impressive. You can see the way people are queuing, and the turnout is very good in this unit. But I don't want to use only one unit to judge the entire exercise. You give me some time. In the next 3-4 hours, I should be able to speak more on how the exercise had gone in Akwa Ibom State. But so far so good. I just love the peaceful atmosphere, the orderliness I've seen in my unit and in my ward. I expect this to go across the whole state because we've done a whole lot of enlightenment. And we've spoken to our people that they must come out today and vote en masse. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.